this video, we are going to use the Wix AI website builder. So it's a complete tutorial, basically how you can create your website on Wix with AI. So right now I am on my dashboard. Once you sign up, you will land up in this area. Now, if you want to create a new website, let's say you are already working on one and you want to just start it over again and create the website, the new one by AI. So how we can do this? It's very simple. Just head over to this corner on the left and click on new site, create a new site. So let's see how the AI creates the website and whether it's a good idea to create the website by AI or we just have to manually do it all together. So it says bring your ideas to life with AI. We're gonna provide some information to the AI how we want our website. So it's a chat feature by Gemini. So let's click on start chat. And it's asking first, tell me what your site is all about. So let's say I have an educational website. Now it might ask you some different questions. So you have to act and answer accordingly. Let's click on send. And now it's gonna ask you some different question. What's the name of your educational website? So let's say knowledge everywhere. And you can see on the right that it's filling your site profile right here. So who is your target audience? Now just quickly describe your audience. Let me just quickly write something. So let's say that I've written my target audience are, let's write audience here, are all of the students and professionals who are already working in their relevant field but want to grow and learn further by adding and learning some soft skills to their portfolio. Now let me just correct the spellings here. So the more detailed response you give, the more it will understand about your business. So click on send. Now it will continue to ask some of the questions and you can reply accordingly. But do you have any specific features or functions in mind to your website? I will say no here so that it starts creating the website. Let's see. And as we can see, something is processing on the right. And now you can see you're all set. Let's go to the dashboard and see what it creates. Now it will bring us to the dashboard of the website, of the new website. And you can see the new name that we have given and replied to. So this is the new name it has given to the site, and click on design site on the right. Now, until this point, the design website is not created. We can customize the template as you can see here. How would you like to design your website? I want to design it and generate with AI. So let's use this option. Now, as you can see on the right hand side, it has created something amazing, guys. The menu, the search function, and all the knowledge everywhere kind of it shows here. It has mentioned some of the services, basically added the pricing plans, educational insights. So if you like this design, this is the site brief like this. So if you like this to start with, obviously you can later on customize that. But if you just want to regenerate the design or tweak the design, I want to regenerate the design because it looks very basic. So let's click on regenerate the design and let's see what it creates now. And now it has created something like this. And we have different versions for this as well. So version 1 was the earlier one, and this one was version 2. So you don't have to worry about that if you later want to move to the earlier version, because that happens a lot. That first time we don't like the design, but when we see other options, we like the first one. So let's click on regenerate the design and let's see the version 3 and then we will finalize. And I don't like the third one as well. So let's move to the first one. Let's click on the center to directly move to the first one. Just hover over it and then select the version 1. Now let's click on continue with design and let's see what further does it add. Complete the design with your own domain or continue to the editor. So let's click on continue to editor. So as you can see, it's giving the final touches. It's adding the blog all by AI. So let's see the final look in the editor, how it looks. And basically I landed to this file share option. Let's click on home and I got this error. That's why it didn't, I think, created that. So basically my website was crashed accidentally, but basically the design we have seen, it will create something like that. But I don't find it very special if you use AI because the AI website creation is still at very basic level. So what you can prefer is just use the templates to create the website. It has some awesome templates that you can use to create some amazing websites, as we have seen before as well. So that's pretty much, this is how you can create the website on Wix by AI. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.